Ladies and gents, welcome to the live stream, folks. We are going to be talking about ICP in this video. And yeah, price has been pumping pretty good, folks. I dropped a banger of a tweet, folks. If you guys haven't already, hit me up on Twitter at Real6Fig. I dropped this insanely bold prediction last night on the Twitterverse. I don't think a lot of people could even handle this. But what are we trying to do here? We are trying to forward think the markets. We're trying to really gauge what's going to happen next. Right now, the markets are kind of green. If you haven't noticed, people are super bullish. Now, is this a classic bear rally? We're going to get into this and why I don't think it is, but I do suspect there might be a little bit of profit taking coming up. So with that said, let's hop right into ICP and really, what hour chart? This is on the daily chart. So let's open up the daily chart here and really look at what exactly is going on here. So right now we're seeing more of a channel in the daily price action for ICP. We know this because we can kind of chart this, but if we start to see any sort of angular consolidation happen, I do suspect that we may see a rising wedge or something of that nature. ICP, folks, is in this remarkable position to really crush it from here. I've mentioned this in previous videos. We have seen ICP price action above the Ichimoku cloud on the daily like 2 or 3 times. Once in September of 2021 and once in July of 2022. So really, this is very important that we see ICP really kind of keep riding up. And I'm kind of partial as to what I would like to happen right here. As you guys can see, I'm thinking we might get some sort of Elliott wave theory movement to the upside. So let me just go ahead here and really prep this chart up so you guys can see exactly where I'm coming from. So with that said, we are going to throw up a little Fibonacci time sequence. What does this do? It helps us predict when market volatility will increase. And we are seeing that it predicted down to the day there was a huge high around this week right in here. It reversed on the day Fibonacci time sequence said that it would. So what do we got going on with ICP right now? Well, we've got another time sequence on Monday, January 16th. So I do suspect that we may see, starting on Monday, maybe a few days, quite possibly, this is just a guess, of some retracements happen with ICP. I'm kind of like in this boat right now, folks. You know, are we seeing some sort of, bear with me while I just mess up trading view, are we seeing some sort of, head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern, or what? But the one thing I wanted to kind of highlight, just getting back to this post here, is where do I think that we're going to see the price go? Well, when we look at Gan, he was able to kind of guess that, or really kind of analyze the markets, and the markets really do move in directions of 45-degree angles. So we're just going to draw this 45-degree angle here. And then what we're going to do is throw up a Gan fan. So here we've got this beautiful little Gan fan. And really right now we are seeing price action really kind of hop right up on top of this Gan fan. So this is awesome. So I'm hoping that we can stay within this trend line, but if we don't, it's okay. It's okay, folks, because I do think that ICP has this chance to really pull off some Elliott wave theory move just like this, right up to this 200 moving average, and then we might see some sort of ABC retracement, and we might see price continue on. That's kind of what I'm hoping for right now with ICP. It would be awesome to see this play out exactly like this. But we are seeing that right now we're kind of in this oversold territory. So really, when we look at this date of Monday the 16th, it wouldn't surprise me if that was kind of like the date we saw the price action kind of shift and maybe come down for a 2 or 3, 4 day consolidation. Right now, the only thing I'm hoping that doesn't happen is we get some sort of head and shoulders move, which will strip price right back down to the downside. Let's just take a quick look at the hourly charts on ICP while we got everything up. I'm going to go ahead here and remove all this garbage. Yeah, I mean, we're kind of seeing on the hourly, we're kind of seeing what's known as this rising wedge. Maybe we're seeing these lows get higher, but we're also seeing this upper trend line start to consolidate in an angular fashion, which would kind of give us a rising wedge. Good news is this is only, this is only a couple day rising wedge. I would expect price action to maybe kind of fall back down to this $4.25-ish level. Let's just throw up a quick Fibonacci retracement. Let's see if that's 61/8, 50% level. Yeah, I mean, I could see this 382, about $4.25, somewhere in that neighborhood. So, folks, really, that's all we've got for today's ICP show. We are just doing technical analysis today. We'll hit up some news this weekend or on Tuesday. See you guys all in the next video.